Meet Debit, a regular 9-to-5 employee who worked hard every day in an office. He paid his bills, supported his family, and like many of us, dreamed of something more. More freedom, more income, and more peace of mind. But Debit, like most people, believed that a full-time job meant no time, no energy, and no way to earn extra money on the side. One day, he decided to challenge that belief. He asked himself a simple question: what skills do I already have that others might pay for? He realized he was good at Excel. Instead of spending his evenings scrolling through social media or watching random videos, he started creating short Excel tutorial videos. Within 3 months, he had a small YouTube channel, and surprisingly, he earned his first affiliate income. That small success encouraged him to go further. He joined freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork, offering services like Excel dashboards and data cleanup. One client turned into 2, 2 turned into 10. Before long, Debit was earning more on weekends than some people earned in an entire week. That S, when he realized something powerful. Earning more doesn't always mean working longer hours. It means using your skills more smartly and creatively. At first, his colleagues laughed at him. They said, "Who has the time or energy to work after a full day at the office?" But when Debit started making an extra 30,000 rupees per month, those laughs turned into questions. People began to ask how he was doing it. He didn't stop there. Debit started selling downloadable Excel templates online. Then he wrote a short ebook. Eventually, he began hosting weekend workshops where he taught basic data analysis to beginners. Over time, he turned his skills into a growing income stream, all while still working his regular job. The truth is, if you can speak, you can teach. If you have knowledge, you can package and sell it. If you work on a computer, you can freelance. And if you're online already, you can create content. Your office job is your stability, but your side hustle can become your freedom. Today, Debit still works his full-time job, but he doesn't depend on it. He earns more, saves more, and lives with less stress and more options. The difference was never about having more time. It was about using what he already had. So if you're looking to earn more while keeping your job, start with what you know. Give just 1 hour a day. In this digital age, your future income is limited only by your willingness to start.